Hello, in front of me I've got ROBOROCK Qrevo Curv. In this video I'll show you how to remove dustbin. In the beginning, lift up the charging console lid. Next, lift the lid that is in the back. And right here we've got the dustbin. Lift it up like this, and now replace it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.